Hey everyone, welcome back. So let's break down today's setup using our psychology and our logics. So let's begin with our trades today. These were our trades. To join our channels, you can just click on the link in description. So yeah, here you can just check out the first signal is for American Express OTC for the call side. This was a good win right there. And in this trade, you will see a clear uptrend and the price came down to retest the support level. The zone was held perfectly, rejecting the downside and showing buyer strength. Main setup of this trade, and the trade moved exactly as we expected in our direction, and this was a very good win right there. You can just check it out. Yeah. The next signal was for Amazon OTC for the call side. Here, the chart showed a steady uptrend, and the moving average also confirmed the same momentum. On the top of that, the price formed a clean continuation pattern, signaling that buyers were in control. With the trend and moving average and all patterns aligned, we just took a up trade here and secured another easy win. Amazing win right there. You can check it out. The next signal is for American Express OTC for the put side. Here you can just check out, this was also a good win. The previous candle left a wick on the upper side, showing rejection from the buyers. This usually means that the market will try to fill the wick on the next candle, and especially when the pattern was in continuation. So we took a up trade right here with a logic and we won this trade. Again, an amazing win right there. So these are our trades. You can just check out. Just showed one thing, that when trends, levels, wicks and patterns are aligned, the trade becomes simple. So trade with logic, not emotions. See you in the next breakdown. Thank you so much.